Hey there guys, today I bought myself a drill press. It's a benchtop drill press. I think it cost me about, what was it, like 150 bucks on Amazon. I'll have this, the link to this drill press in the description of this video if you guys are interested. Instructions say the first thing I need to do is attach this tube to the base here. Let's go ahead and hand tighten these in for now. The next step is to get the table into the tube area. Let's go ahead and get this out of there. I'm not going to take the whole thing out because it's very oily inside. Gonna kind of open it up like this. Keep the bag on it. The next step is to mount the chuck. In the instructions it actually says I need to look in here and just kind of make sure that there's no burrs. And if there is burrs, I need to kind of lightly sand it or file it down so that it's nice and smooth inside. Alright, so I didn't find any burrs. So it says to wipe it down, make sure there's nothing in there, don't use any solvents. And you also need to go ahead and wipe down the tip here. To wipe this down as well. Alright, so I don't have lacquer thinner. The other option is acetone. I do have acetone. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on the rag, clean things up. Alright, so what this does is it allows you to lock it into a certain interval that you can travel down. Rotate it up, lock it, for example, here. And that'll give me an inch of travel because I locked it down to where it says 1 inch. So that'll give me only an inch of travel downward and then back up. They got that chart showing you the different speeds and what they recommend for the material you're working with. Alright, so I'm gonna push it out a bit, tighten it. That's a little better. Feels a little bit more firmer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this, and subscribe to see projects that I'll be using this tool for in the future.